Hello students, today we will continue with grammar. Today we will discuss word smart, let's revise 1 and essay. So I request you all, please open your textbook, page number 4040. It is word smart is given on page number 40. Let's revise 1. It is given on page number 41 and we will discuss today one essay also. So I request you all, please watch this video properly because I will read all these exercises for you and essay also I will read for you, and also I will send you PDF file with this video so you can write from PDF file. Okay, so first we will start word smart. Look at the words underlined in these sentences. Make new sentences using the word as a different part of speech. 1. India won the match on Sunday. Virat Kohli took a fabulous catch. Answer: can you catch the 9 o'clock train if you leave now? So here in the bracket it is given that what we have used. 2. Becoming an astronaut is a dream career for me. I am going to study aerospace engineering for it. Answer: I dream of becoming a millionaire. 3. The students are going to get a break after this exercise. Answer: please don't break the silence of the room. 4. Our trip of Rajasthan was enjoyable. We had an exciting ride on the camel. Answer: I like to ride a horse. 5. Show me the verb in this sentence. Answer: I will attend the show in the evening. 6. The bell rings at 5 o'clock. Please be on time. Answer: he gave her a diamond ring. 7. It is very important to get enough sleep before an examination. Answer: I sleep in the afternoon. 8. Please open the doors and windows so that we can get some fresh air. Answer: the bird came inside the room through the open door. Now we will discuss let's revise. It is on page number 41. Exercise A. Form abstract nouns from the words underlined in the given sentences. Number 1. Here I have written in a bold writing abstract nouns as an answer. So please note it down. 1. Ridhima and her friends were excited about their visit to the circus. Answer: excitement. 2. It rained heavily today. The sky is absolutely clear now. Answer: clarity. 3. All the children of the Guptas are excellent singers. Answer: excellence. 4. They performed beautifully at the concert. Answer: performance. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct pronoun from the option given in the bracket. Here I have not mentioned the bracket word, but you can get in the textbook. So I request you all, please look in the textbook also, and answers I have underlined. Gurkirat is an excellent sportsman. He plays many sports like badminton and basketball. He was won prizes in a lot tournaments. His parents encouraged him to pursue a career in sports. They are truly proud of their son. So I hope you have understood this exercise. Exercise C. The adjectives in the following sentences are underlined. Identify their types. 1. There are 3 routes from my school to home. Answer: Quantity. 2. That book on the table belongs to Sophie. Answer: demonstrative. 3. Don't be afraid. Our dog is quite friendly. Answer: quality. Exercise D. Rewrite the following sentences in the correct order. Here in the first number, 2 sentences we are having. In there, some words are jumbled, so we have to arrange the words in a correct order. Number 1. There are delicious Alfonso Manny mangoes in my grandfather's farm. Answer: there are many delicious Alfonso mangoes in my grandfather's farm. 2. The handsome, dark, tall man is my father. Answer: the tall, dark, handsome man is my father. Exercise E. Choose the appropriate words from the brackets and complete the paragraph. Fruits are a rich source of nutrition for our body. Some fruits are sweet while others may be sweet or sour. Everyone has his or her own taste when it comes to fruit, just as each fruit has its own taste and texture. We should definitely make fruits a part of our food, as all fruits are good for our health. So I hope you have understood these exercises. Now I request you all, now please pay attention. We are going to start essay. An ideal student. Who is an ideal student? Some may think should be brilliant in his studies and always stand at the top of the successful students. But it is a wrong thinking. He should be well in his studies and his scores should be well above 50%. But he need not be brilliant. Brilliant students are often regard themselves as superior beings. Sometimes a brilliant student may be a bookworm, but an ideal student is hardworking, polite, and gentle. He is intelligent and practical and never neglects studies or other activities of the school. Here, an ideal student is well aware of his duties and responsibilities as a student. He knows how much he owes to his parents, teachers, and the society. He takes the full advantage of the opportunities offered. He uses his time wisely and in a planned way and believes that the time is money. He knows that students are the future citizens, leaders, parents, and scientists. This sense make him devote all his energies into developing himself a meaningful and useful future citizen of the country. He is always proud of his country, its history, culture, and heritage. Children, you have to write this word smart and let's revise all exercises in your textbook only with pencil and write an essay in grammar classwork notebook with beautiful handwriting. Write an essay only the right side page. As you will open the notebook, you have to write essay on right side page. No need to use left side page for essay. Thank you.